Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change birth date in Google account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already opened it. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So what you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of this interface. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see your Google account. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for manage your Google account. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the Google account interface. At left, you'll be able to find several options over here. Click on the option personal info. Now you'll be led to the personal info interface. You'll be able to find your personal information over here. On this section for basic info, you'll be able to find the option for birthday. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to update your birthday. First of all, what you have to do is select the month. Simply click on the field of month. Now select the desired month. Similarly, enter the day. Now enter the year too. Now you can also choose who can see your birthday. You'll be able to find two options over here. Only you, anyone. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now scroll down. You can also choose to highlight your birthday if you want. If you want to do that, simply check on this box, highlight birthday. Otherwise, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now a confirmation message will pop up. Simply click on the confirm option. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your birthday has been updated. Your birth date will be changed now. So that is how you change birth date in Google account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.